There's all different styles of homes. You have, cottage style homes, Tudor homes, Mediterranean homes. I mean, the list is endless. We offer replacement windows of all different size, shape, and style. And so our windows are custom built, different colors, interior, exterior, different glass designs, different grid designs, different styles of grids, simulated divided lights, which are grids on the outside of the glass and on the inside of the home, grids that are sealed in between the glass, definition grids, flat grids. I mean, a lot of stuff are above people's heads, what I'm saying right now, but what I'm trying to say is there's so many different style choices that we can usually emulate what you have in your home now. Or if you're going for a completely different design, we have so many different styles. If you've got something in particular, we can usually accommodate that, what it is. But when we go into people's homes, our team usually tries to recommend people to go back with something similar to what they already have, because you were drawn to your house by the aesthetics of it now. And if you dramatically change it, that can change maybe what was so attractive to you at one time. But again, within reason, we can work with you. We have different designers and different things that we can help lay out, and we can create it on an iPad so you can see in the home exactly what the window will look at and decide, yes, that works for me, or no, it doesn't.